We'll guide you through how to download and install resource or texture packs in Minecraft 1.21.4. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Resource or texture packs can completely go and change the look of Minecraft. You can go and have different themes, for example medieval, or you can just go and have a slight improvement or complete change. It doesn't matter. So to get started, let's come out of Minecraft like so. You can go and keep it open. And what you can then do is open up a web browser. If you already have a pack in mind, you can go and find it. If you don't know and you want to start browsing, a great site I like to use is called CurseForge. So you can come and search for it and you can click on curseforge.com. You can then go and click on Minecraft like so, and you can select browse all at the top. Now you want to come down on the left here and we can then go and select resource packs, also known as texture packs. And we can also go and scroll down and choose the game version as well. So now we can start seeing the different options here. So for example, one pack I like to use is called X-Ray. This is useful if you want to go and just get to ores quickly in your world. So what we can do is go and click on it. We can then go and click on files and we can go and get it for 1.21.4. I'll press the three dots to the right and press download file. It will then go and download, and what I'll also do is download another. This one looked pretty cool to me, a medieval adventure. So I'll go and click on it. We can once again scroll down, read the info about it and see some images. We can then click files and here it is. So we can come over to the right, press the three dots and click download file. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. If you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. What you can do is go and scroll down and you can come and check out the features. For example, one-click install mod packs, making it super easy to play with mods. 24/7 servers and support, so you can go and get help anytime you need it. So go and check them out down below. Now it's gone and downloaded. So now what we can do is we come out of our web browser and come back to Minecraft. To install them, you can go and click on options. You can click on options either on the main menu or when pausing the game and pressing escape. Then in options, click on resource packs. I've already got some other packs here, but to install packs, click on open pack folder and you need to go and add them in here. So to go and do that, we can go and hover on our file explorer and I'll go and click on downloads. Here they are. Also, you can right click on it as well and open up downloads. And what we can then do is drag and drop them in like so. So we've now gone and added them. Now you're going to go and see they're appearing in available. So I've got the Excalibur one and I've also got X-Ray as well. So to go and apply it, we can go and press the arrow, make sure it's above the other one and then press done. It'll go and reload. As you can see, it goes and looks older and more medieval. It looks really cool to me. And so then what we can do is go and start playing it. To go and change it in the game, you can press escape, then press options and press resource packs. When you're finished with it, you can press the arrow to go move it back into available, and we could go and say use X-Ray instead. Then you can go and press done, and then it's going to go and reload, and you'll go and see the X-Ray pack. So this goes and highlights ores so you can quickly get to them.